In 1770, a single cherry blossom petal was carried by the wind from Japan to the shores of California. This petal, known as the wandering petal, was believed to bring good fortune. It landed in the hands of a young botanist, Amelia, who was fascinated by its journey. She traced its path, discovering that it had crossed oceans and mountains, witnessing the American Revolution and the signing of the Declaration of Independence. Could a simple petal have influenced these monumental events? Amelia's research inspired a new appreciation for nature's subtle power. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.